Hello boys and girls, welcome to this presentation. In this presentation we're going to talk about 1.1 Two-way tables and bar charts. This key point talks about a two-way table and what does it mean. A two-way table splits data into groups in rows across the table and in columns down the table. You can calculate the totals across and down. We can take a look at a two-way table to understand more what's happening here. As he said here, two-way table splits data into two groups or groups of rows and columns. We will take a look at a two-way table to understand it. Question 2. As you can see here, this is a two-way table. It's called two-way table because it has more than place for data, more than one place. It splits the data into rows and columns. So you can work on the rows and the columns. And you have total. You can add the data in rows and in columns. That's why it's called two-way table. Now let's take a look at the question to understand more about two-way tables. Question 2. Alan and Yolanda complete record sheets for their weekend press-ups. Now, as you can see here, this is Alan's sheet and this is Yolanda's sheet. Now, Alan press-ups on Saturday he has 20. On Sunday he has 22. And Yolanda, she has 20 on Saturday and 15 on Sunday. We're going to take these information and put them in the two-way sheet or in the two-way table. Let's do them together. Let's start with Alan. Alan has 20 on Saturday, so we come here and write 20. And then he has 22 on Sunday, so we write 22. And when you add them together, you'll have, very good, 42. Good job. Now let's take Yolanda's information and put it in the table. Yolanda on Saturday, she has 20, so we put 20. And then on Sunday, she has 15, so we put 15 here. And then when you add them together, you will get, very good, 35. 35. And then, when you add Saturday together, you'll have what? You'll have 40. Good job. And when you add Sundays together, you'll have 37. Good. So, the total of the data here and the total of the data here will be the same. It's going to be here. Now, let's add this together. It's going to be 70. Let's make it another color, like this. 77. Good job. And this is the meaning of a two-way table. Now, let's take a look at question B. In question B, write Alan's data in the top row, work out the total. As we did here. We wrote Alan's data here, and we worked out the total. And the total was 42. Very good. And then question C, write Yolanda's data in the second row. Same idea. We wrote it and we counted the total. And then question D, work out the total of each column. We worked out this column, we got 40, and this one we got 37. And question E, add the row totals together. Check by adding the columns or the column totals together. So when you add the total of the columns together, you get 77. And then if you want to check, you add the total of the rows together. And this is how you answer a question about two-way tables. Thank you very much for watching. See you next time.